Cheers. Hello, welcome back to another video. Just having a beer first. So today, what we're going to be doing is putting these in the R33. So I got just some other standard LED bulbs in there at the moment, but these ones are like multi-directional bulbs, as you can see. These are just like your basic T10 wedges, but the ones I've got in there, I went down to my local J car and they're just like a little dome style one. So they don't exactly spread the light as easy and as well as the multi ones. So I've also got these little, I'm not sure what size you call it, but I know that's a T10. I'm not sure what these little ones are. Obviously they go in behind, we'll say behind like the fuel gauges or the temperature or whatever. So first of all, we'll get this started. I'll get all the tools out and I'll show you all the tools you need to pull your dash apart to pull your R33 cluster out. What you're going to need, either just Phillips head, because that's pretty much all they are that's holding these together. Otherwise you're going to need a 10mm socket, which I actually don't have. Funny enough, I've lost my 8, my 10 and my quarter drive ratchet out of my little Stanley set over there that I've had for years. Anyway, that doesn't matter, so let's go over here. First of all, you're probably going to want to just drop your steering column down, get it out of the way, and then we're going to pull this fascia off. So to get the fascia off, it's pretty much you may as well pull the whole dash of your Skyline apart. So first of all, gear knob off. Oh, if anyone hasn't seen it, check out my latest video, one of my latest videos. I put a GK Tech drift butt in my R33, so you know, she's good. Yeah, so first step, pull your cigarette lighter out, ashtray out, and then there is one Phillips head screw just in here. Daniel, come and have a look at this with you. There's one Phillips head screw right in there, easy to get to. Phillips head, undo. I really wish I had my screw gun. Oh, so that comes out. Now also today I may or I may not fix the wacky tacho issue with a lot of 33s. So you'll be driving, you know, doing 110 kilometers and your speedo's doing this. Sorry, not your speedo, but your revs gauge. I might fix that today, I may not. I really don't know if I can be bothered. But other than that, pull your center console back off like that. You can either leave it connected or unplug it. I'm just going to unplug it just to get it out of the way. The dash apart. If I've done it once, I don't want to do it again. Okay, so that's that. Then next up, you'll have, I'll put my full right and drop this so you can get in closer, Daniel. So you've got 2 screws at the bottom, 1, 2. Then the rest of it is literally all clipped. So then we should just be able to pop it out. So I'll get these 2 screws.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so Daniel's swapped sides with me. You can move the seat back, mate. Move the seat back.
Definitely.
There we go. Okay, so now since Daniel's on this side, so you've got a screw here, screw there. This is more of an in-depth on how to do it instead of just how to change your dash bulb. So then once that's undone, pop. This will all free up. And now, the next part, you've got to kind of reach behind here. If you have a look there, Daniel, you'll see all the plugs behind here.
Nice tight squeeze.
It is it's quite painful. There we go, 1, 2, 3. There's those 3. And we've got the aerial up and down. Come on, you bastard. That one. Then we've got lucky last, which is the mirrors. It's on this side. And then pretty much pull forward. Oh, what are we still attached to, mate? This one. This is to do with the climate control. That little one.
There's always something.
Right there. There we go. Right, so whenever you pull these out, guys, please put them away, because mine's a nice Series 2 one, apart from this shit here. Nice Series 2 one. Keep it nice, keep it tidy, keep it away from things that can get squashed, or you know, people can drop shit on it. So I'll move this.
Yeah, bro.
Have
a swig, mate. Working hard.
Very good. Byron Bay lagers. Very good choice. Very nice. Next bit. Once again, Phillips head. There's a screw here, and 2 at the top to get this fascia surround out. And every time I pull my Skyline apart, without a doubt, you're going to lose a screw. So I always tend to keep mine in the center console there. Makes it easy to find.
They may not give you cup holders, but you'll have random little pieces around the car to put screws in.
Very well. Like my Land Cruiser. My Land Cruiser does not have any cup holders.
It's got a very big ashtray though.
Oh, yeah, ashtray. Big.
A giant one.
Well, I have to use... So yeah, might have to... Sorry. Result to the stumpy one. Now the worst part is we're going to have to put it in, test and make sure I put them on the right way because they're polarity are like reversed for these LEDs. So if you put them in one way, they don't work, you pull it out and turn around the other way. Reversed polarity. Can you just come out?
Yeah, it differs.
Mate, I'm sweating and I'm in a grey shirt, so if you can see me sweating on the camera,
Yummy.
it's gross.
Nice steering wheel though.
Yeah, you like that?
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah, you like that?
Oh yeah.
Right, so now we've pretty much, got all the plastics out the way. Next all it is 3 Phillips head. So 1, 2, 3. Pull those 3 out. Now this cluster is actually the original automatic cluster that comes in this model, because it was actually factory automatic. Original 144,000 kilometers on this chassis too, so she's still pretty nice and low. The motor's not the original, obviously. Motor and gearbox are both different, but the gearbox has been fully rebuilt and is brand new, so that's a good selling point. But it's not for sale, so suck a dick. Oh look, there we go. I don't know if you can see that, but
Oh, we can definitely see it.
see how shit it is? Like, it lights up little sections because they're just the small, like, spread kind of bulb. With the other ones, obviously I'll replace one over here. I'll replace them anyway, but they're just crap. So, next bit. Pull your cluster forward. I don't know if you're going to be able to see on that side, mate, but I'll try and turn it around. Nah, so you can't really see too well because... Right, so if you look behind here, there's plenty of plugs. I'm sorry if my camera won't really focus that well, but there's probably four plugs, and the loom's very tight behind there, so it's a bit of a pain to try and get out. So I'll pass the camera back to Daniel and we'll get them out. Now don't worry about like pulling it apart and forgetting where they go, because they kind of only really go in one spot. So I always need to use something to push this one out because this one's a pain in the ass. Just hope I don't break it, eh? So, pretty simple. You can see we've got, 5 plugs. That one there is for your mirrors. Those 4, go to the cluster. So, let's go to the bench and we'll have a look. So, I've got the cluster out. I just brought it to my bench at the back here. So, these are the ones we're going to be replacing. All the big brown ones. So, as you can see, that's the style one I've got compared to these ones. Not sure if you'd call these like a multi-point bloody wedges, I don't know, but these ones are shit, these ones are good. So you can buy this whole kit on eBay for your R33 cluster. I'll put the link in the description below. Once again, I'm really sorry about being sweaty. It's hot here today in Brisbane. There's minimal breeze and it's muggy out. So anyway, so yeah, I've just swapped that one out. Now we'll replace these other 4. So easy to pull out, just twist and pull like that. So I'll replace all these ones. Now these lights are actually really good for number plate lights. I've got these in the Skyline as well, and my Land Cruiser for number plate lights. So these ones, if you go to your local J car, that's what they're really good for, and that's about it. Right. In, twist. push in, twist. Very, very easy, self-explanatory. It's literally just a couple of screws in the dash, pull it all apart. Okay, now I need to work out where these little shumbodies go, because I'm not sure. No, that's just another T10. Okay, so dash bulbs are back in. So once again, it's just the red ones there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these little ones, but obviously these ones here, they're all warning lights. So those are your two indicators, that's your high beams. They're all warning lights there, but I'm not going to replace them because, well, I'll replace them if they work. Don't take that too seriously, but because those lights work, but they just look shit. So ignore what I said there. So let's go. We'll put it back in. I'll turn the lights on and find out which ones don't work and which ones need to be reversed. So let's go. Where is the okay, so it's not that one. I'll just keep plugging them back in until it's not that one.
That was.
Was it?
Yep. Yep, you can see it.
Oh, yes, that lights up obviously that end of it.
Mm-hmm.
That lights up that end.
So what have we gained?
Okay, so hardly any of them are working, so what I'll do is so we've got lights over here, lights in half the rev gauge, temperature and fuel both got light, so let's have a look in the middle ones here. Pull that one out. And all you simply have to do, whether you unplug it, turn it around. So you just reverse the polarity. There we go.
There we go. This is contact.
That's that one.
Nice. That's already 10 times better, and it's even in different lighting too.
Yeah. Then we're gonna go this one. That one's.
Hey.
And that looks like there's one more. This one.
Gorgeous.
There we go. Much better. So that's lights on, lights off, lights on, and you can see the big difference. Much better. So all in all, guys, really simple to do. I'm not going to show you how to put the dash back together because it's about as easy as pulling it apart. Very quick video today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. See yous.